The one thing that I've learned over the years is that we are all so different. Our lives are so different. Our situations are so different. Our backgrounds are so different. Our upbringing is so different. The journey of our life up until now for each one of us is so different compared to somebody else. And therefore, it's so important that we don't judge our own life or the lives of others by comparing them with someone else's life. Here's an example. If Mr. A can sprint a distance of 10 kilometers in 1 hour, whereas Mr. B covers the same distance in 1.5 hours, which one of the two would you call faster and healthier? The answer obviously would be Mr. A. Now what if I tell you that Mr. A had a prepared track to run on while Mr. B did it by walking on a sandy path? I think our answer will now change and we probably think that Mr. B is fitter. And let's say we come to know that actually Mr. A is 75 years old while B is only 20. Here we go. Our answer changes again and we now think that the 75-year-old Mr. A is healthier. Guess what? Mr. A weighs 60 kg whereas Mr. B 125 kg, which makes it really hard for him to run. Who do you think did well? Oh my goodness. Now we correct ourselves again as we favor Mr. B. The more we get to know about the strengths and limitations of Mr. A and B respectively, our opinions and judgments about who is better keep changing. And isn't life like that as well, guys? We form opinions about others so quickly, so hastily, so impulsively, so superficially, without knowing much about them or their situations. We end up judging people, labeling people, and miss out on connecting to and encouraging the immense potential that they may have. Life is not the same for all. Some may not be as talented as others, but may get better opportunities and thus scale up very fast. Whereas others, despite being super talented, keep struggling just to make the ends meet. कहते हैं ना, ये किस्मत महलों में राज करती है और कई बार हुनर सड़कों पर तमाशा करते रहता है. Some may have more resources, whereas others can't find any source to fall back on. Each one has different problems, and so no one solution can work for all, just like one size of clothing doesn't fit all. So do not judge others' journey without knowing more. Do not judge your own life by looking at someone else's or comparing your situation with someone else's. You are you and they are they. Your life is your life and theirs is theirs. Do take inspiration from their journey in a way that you can enrich yours. And always remember, life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper.